What's up guys, it's time to kick off the countdown for the next big thing from Apple, the iPhone 13 series. We've got a massive new report coming via Bloomberg confirming some of the most exciting iPhone 13 features. With the iPhone 13 lineup, it's pretty much confirmed that Apple is taking its video recording game to a whole new level. For the first time ever, there will be a new cinematic mode. It's a portrait mode for videos that will utilize the LiDAR sensor, and it can honestly be an absolute game changer. Users will be able to get amazing bokeh in video, as well as the option to change the blur levels after they have recorded the video. iPhones, in my opinion, still produce the best portrait mode photos when it comes to the natural look is concerned, plus they keep the consistent color tones as well, so I'm actually looking forward to this cinematic mode. Now, in addition to the cinematic mode, Apple might also add ProRes video recording for the first time ever on the Pro iPhones. It's basically raw video capability, and it's gonna allow you to shoot videos on a much higher level of detail compared to the stock video recording and get a lot of control over the whole footage when you're editing it in the post. Now, Bloomberg also says that Apple is working on a brand new filter system that will debut on the upcoming iPhone 13 lineup. Now, instead of applying the filter to the entire photo, you can now choose whether you want to apply the filter to the subject or the object in the images. On top of all these camera features, Apple is looking to bring a brand new ultra-wide-angle lens with a wider aperture for improved low-light performance and also autofocus. Now, Mark Gurman further confirms the previous leaks that we have heard, which is, of course, the 120Hz refresh rate that is coming 100% for sure on the Pro iPhones. Finally, like at this point, Apple is really the last brand to implement the 120Hz refresh rate on their smartphones. Also, for the first time since the iPhone 10 back in 2017, we'll see a change to the notch. The notch will get smaller, not by a lot, but still it's an improvement. And lastly, it's confirmed, it's not a surprise, we're gonna see Apple A15 chip that has same amount of cores as the Apple A14. Now, the iPhone 13 lineup is expected to look similar to the iPhone 12 series. We'll see mini to the max, 4 iPhones, same screen sizes. There are some new colors rumored, including a brand new orange color that will be like a standout color of the iPhone 13 lineup. The devices are also said to be slightly thicker than previous models because of the bigger battery size, which is a very welcome change. This year's iPhone series might have the best battery life ever on any iPhone thanks to the bigger battery spec bump. Also in the news, Apple is now having a race against time. They won't be adopting the USB-C on the iPhones anytime soon, but a new European law might force them to do so. According to Reuters, a European law is in the process that would establish a common charger for smartphones and other electronic devices within 27 countries. Will this law be enough for Apple to adopt USB-C next year? Probably not, because they're gonna double down on the MagSafe ecosystem so that they can eventually be the first smartphone brand to go completely portless. It is the ultimate move to avoid USB-C and, of course, avoid losing money. Now, lastly, according to Mark Gurman, Apple could host multiple virtual events in the coming months for the launch of their upcoming iPhone, Apple Watch, new iPad mini, AirPods 3, and of course the upcoming MacBook Pro with M1X chip. The iPhone event is expected to happen in September, which is on point with the previous years. At the same iPhone event, we could see Apple Watch as well as AirPods 3 and even the iPad mini, plus later down the year, Apple could host a separate event for their MacBook coming with the M1X chip. So that's all the latest news. I gotta say, the iPhone 13 series, there's not a lot going on, but still some features are looking pretty exciting. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.